V-ups, also called jackknife sit-ups, are a great core exercise that targets both your upper and lower abdominals. Here's how to do them properly on a mat. How to do V-ups on a mat. Starting position. 1. Lie flat on your back on the mat. 2. Extend your arms straight above your head, close to your ears. 3. Keep your legs straight and together, toes pointed. 4. Engage your core by drawing your belly button toward your spine. Execution. 1. Inhale to prepare. 2. Exhale and simultaneously lift your legs up off the floor toward the ceiling, keeping them straight. Lift your upper body and arms off the floor, reaching your hands toward your toes. 3. Your body should form a V shape at the top position. 4. Try to touch your toes, or as close as possible, with your hands. 5. Inhale and slowly lower both your arms and legs back to the starting position with control. Please check my next video.